How to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be used in various ways, depending on the application or platform where it is deployed. Here are some general steps for using ChatGPT. Identify the platform. ChatGPT may be integrated into different platforms such as websites, mobile apps, or messaging applications. Locate the ChatGPT interface. Once the platform is identified, locate the ChatGPT interface where users can input text-based queries or messages. Input your query. Type your query or message into the ChatGPT interface. Keep your input as clear and concise as possible to ensure that ChatGPT can understand your intent. Wait for the response. After you submit your query, wait for ChatGPT to generate a response. The response may appear on the same interface, or it may be communicated to you through other means, depending on the platform. Continue the conversation, if necessary. Continue the conversation by providing follow-up questions or requests, and ChatGPT will continue to generate responses accordingly. Provide feedback. If the response provided by ChatGPT is not satisfactory or needs improvement, you can provide feedback, which will help improve ChatGPT's performance in the future. It's important to note that the specific steps for using ChatGPT may vary depending on the platform where it is deployed, so it's important to follow the specific instructions provided for the platform or application you are using.